Success World, nurturing your success. Welcome to the biggest revolution of the 21st century. Big dreams, big thoughts, big decisions, and big luxury life. These are the shadow of a better life. Today is the time we need to start thinking about our biggest dream. Freedom of life, freedom of money, status, and about our perfect future. If you need to earn, if you want that life which you never get, then you have to do which you have never done. This is your time now. Do what the billionaires do and get what the billionaires get. This is your time now to change from middle class to millionaire. Pick up any magazine, watch any TV show, read any newspaper. .com is the biggest revolution of the 21st century. In 2003, 500 million people online. In 2007, 1,000 million people online. And it is estimated 3,000 million people online in year 2015. E-commerce generate 1 trillion revenue in year 2004, 3 trillion revenue in year 2009, 10 trillion revenue estimated in year 2014. E-commerce is booming. Fortunes are made on internet. As per Forbes magazine, more than 80% billionaire below the age of 40 years made in last 10 years are directly or indirectly belonging to e-commerce industry. Ask yourself one real question. Do you want to make your fortune through internet? Why not? Fortune have been made now 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Welcome to the world of e-commerce. Make your fortune now. Get involved or get aside. More than 200 million sites online. You never visit every site. You only visit what your friend recommended or one you see the advertisement. The big e-commerce companies like Amazon, eBay have spent more than 25% of their revenue in advertisement so that people have had a look at their website. Bollywood has the same problem. Last year, more than 100 movies were released in Bollywood. Did you see all or the one which was recommended by your friend? Bollywood director have spent millions to promote the movie. But a bad review means fall down of a movie, which means a big loss. That means you're not going to see the movie. Good or bad, word of mouth advertisement works. Ask yourself last time the website you visited, the one which was recommended by your friend or you visited it by your own. Now, you can be paid for your opinion. You can be paid for promoting. You can be paid for creating a buzz. According to the World Survey, when website users were asked, 98% said our first time experience of online shopping was good. 90% said they wanted to shop again. 88% said they wanted to recommend their friends. 71% said that they visit again and again and shop and promote those websites if given the incentive. Proudly presenting swoworld.com, the new revolutionary way of e-commerce marketing, the biggest trend of the 21st century. Success World, nurturing your success. This revolutionary concept is based on earning a lot of money. After becoming the distributor, you can sell, you can recommend, you can self-use or make big business by making network of the people who can use, retail or promote the products available at swoworld.com. Advantages of swoworld.com over traditional shopping. Overcome geographical limitations. Lower costs because no advertising and marketing cost. You can locate the product quicker. You can eliminate travel time and cost. Provide comparison shopping with best prices. Provide abundant information. Remain open all the time. Store timings are now 24/7, 365. Multiple choices of product availability. Traditionally, there is a lot of advertisement all over in TV, media, papers, FM and so on. The reality is people don't trust it anymore. In fact, they trust personal recommendation. Nothing sells better than a friend recommendation. Instead of paying millions to advertising, Success World paid the people who enthusiastically use, love, recommend, promote and talk about their products and services. This personal day-to-day recommendation can take place at anywhere. In coffee shop, in train, in bus, in restaurant, by phone, by internet, anywhere you want. Welcome to the revolution of the 21st century. swoworld.com. Worldwide launched on 21st August 2011. Breaking all records in the history of e-commerce marketing. 10,000 customers do shopping in first month. Legend business expert and chief editor of the leading magazine Networking Today, Mr. Jeet Kalsi says it is the most viable, proven, thriving and fastest growing business model in the world. World best business opportunity. A business that you can do part-time or full-time, can be started from home with little or no investment. Low overheads, no employees, no business experience required. Success World, nurturing your success. We have set a standard for work to encourage the people to succeed in life, to inspire people to get financial freedom and provide happiness to their families, to motivate people to create value and make a difference in other life. Sharing about the vision. Mr. Gagandeep Singh, Trainings, Research and Development, international trainer and superstar of the selling industry says, our vision is to act as a symbol of success and to become the #1 company in e-commerce by targeting to achieve turnover $10 billion before year 2020. Mr. Sumit Lathia, Director Administration says, our vision is to be the most desirous workplace for our people where people are inspired to be the best they can be and become financially free. Mr. Mitesh Patel, Director Technical says, we are dedicated to high productivity, quality and be a highly effective, growing and fastest moving organization in the history of e-commerce across the globe. Mr. Harpreet Singh, Business Elevation, the leading international motivational speaker and a superstar of the selling industry says, our vision is to be determined and highly passionate to become a benchmark in the history of e-commerce, marketing and focus to be a leader of e-commerce industry by the year 2020. This, the only single platform of the world which offers these benefits in under one roof. Time freedom, financial freedom, traveling, residual income, security, love, respect. To achieve all these, the leading industry experts and successful people help you to grow. Proven support system, vision to freedom, empowering people worldwide. What are you waiting for? Statistics say the people below the age of 25 years want to make their own business. The question is, are you ready? Are you tired enough to say always yes sir to your boss? Do you really want to be your own boss rather than an employee work for someone? How many times you ever think about to quit your job because of huge workload? Do you want to live your life by your own choice? Do you want that life which you don't like? Do you want to escape from the rat race? You want to come out of this miserable life? Do you want to count yourself among millionaires? Would you like to spend your vacation time with your family, with your own wish or your boss's wish? Do you want to drive your dream car or the car which you can afford? You want to live your free life or you want to live life as your boss servant? How many of you prefer black hair retirement? This is just a beginning. What you say 30 years from now, when your grandkids asked you why you didn't work with the world's biggest revolution, the greatest boom is still ahead. The next 5 years can make you or break you. The choice is yours. Ask yourself, if not now, when? If not you, who? If not this, what? If you really want to be a part of the biggest revolution, then stand up and shake your hands with those who gave you this DVD. Success World, nurturing your success.